Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you a new tool and it's free as you can see here. The name of this tool is Broken Link Finder. So today, because I do have a website and I wanted to know if I do have some broken links because my website is so slow. That's why I was searching for some websites and I found this. So in this tool, you can, like, for example, if you have a CSV file of all of your links, you can just choose it from here and you can put it there. But if you don't have it and you just have the URLs, let's just type anything. I don't know, ERP systems, whatever. Okay, let's get, for example, this link, any link, whatever, just to test. Okay, you can put a lot of links. Just do this, put a space, and put another one. I don't know. Let's just get anything else. This website is really slow, I think. Okay, let's get another link and put it upside down. Okay, and then click check. So wait for it until it will be checked. So the first one is under check, and just wait for the second or the third or whatever. So it will check every single thing and then it will give you a table as you can see here. So the second one is checking now. Let's just wait. Here, as you can see, you will find the analysis of the links you put. So for this website, as you can see here, both of them are okay. So both of them are checked, of course. There's no broken link, no redirects or whatever, but you will find every single thing here. So, and you can, by the way, how can I say, filter it by this. Okay, so here both of them are okay. That's why there are no blocks, no, I don't know, broken things. But also you can here see the JSON row or file. You can copy paste it if you need it, because sometimes I do need this. So this website is really good, very handy and easy, but also you can export the CSV here as you can see. So yeah, this is it. This is for today. This is for this video, and I hope you liked it, and I hope I helped you, because this tool helped me. So that's why I said let me help other people. See you. Bye bye.